How to download Uber app on Android. Quick and easy. First, unlock your Android device and find the Google Play Store icon. It's an icon with a colorful triangle in it. Tap on it. Once the Play Store opens, in the search bar at the top, type Uber and press enter. Look for the official Uber app. It has a black icon with a white U. Tap on it. Now, tap the install button. The app will download and install automatically. Once installed, tap Open to launch the Uber app. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, follow the prompts to create one by entering your phone number, email, and payment details. And that's it. You are ready to request your first ride with Uber. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Comment below on what tutorial you need next. See you in the next one.